Welcome back to another video. We are on day 5. It's crazy. If you guys haven't already, I hope you've entered day 1 through 4. Links will be in the description along with the iCard. Go ahead and enter all those because why not? Let's get rolling on day 5 though. My name is Matt with MattBangsWood. I'm a 23-year-old carpenter out of Central California. My goal this holiday season is to give back to you. Real quick backstory on me. I started here on YouTube April of 2019. No subscribers, absolutely no following. Over the course of 2019, we have built a small army. We have 40,000 plus subscribers. Cannot thank you guys enough for the support we've got. We build some pretty awesome stuff out here in California, so if you are new here, consider hitting that subscribe button down below. Let's get to it. My goal for a MattBangsWood Christmas is to give back to you guys and help you out a little bit this holiday season. Let's open it up. We're on day 5. So for those of you that don't follow me, my daughter's birthday was December 7th. We had this awesome little party. I hung out at a pizza place for a while. She got this really cool twin doll playset. She got 2 of these, so I'm giving one of them away to you guys. Only kidding, I could not find a box big enough. This thing weighs a lot. Am I opening this wrong? Oh, it opened from the bottom. Okay. We're going to start out with the Buzzkill reciprocating saw from Skilsaw. This is a corded Skilsaw. Yes, people still use corded tools. Guaranteed you can beat the heck out of this thing, it will not die on you. Now, I wanted to give back a tool that anybody can use. Whether you're a homeowner, whether you do part-time woodworking, anyone can use a reciprocating saw. I know a lot of people were asking me, Matt, give away a beam saw. If I give away a beam saw and one of you guys cuts your damn leg off, I'm going to feel really bad. If you cut your leg off with a reciprocating saw, chances are you deserved it. Whether you do home remodeling, whether you're working on your own house, this is a perfect addition to your tool set. So this one back here as well. That was close. Really was hoping for a cool opening. This is going to be perfect for your toolbox as well. This is a 48-inch Big Red box beam level from Sola. These are all we've been using on our job sites as of lately. I love this company, love the tools that they put out. Super dark vial, easy visibility. These levels are awesome. So not only are you going to be able to tear something apart, maybe you're tearing something apart that's out of plumb, you'll be able to plumb it up with your brand new level. So we've got a Sola hat here, bright red to match your Big Red. Keson hat here, which is the same owner as Sola. Here you've got yourself a 30-foot ultra bright blade. You guys can see that thing. Tape measure. I have not gotten to use these tape measures yet. You guys are getting to use them before me, so do me a favor and let me know how they are once you get them. Along with that, we've got to throw in some pencils for you as well. As always, a thank you for our sponsors. Explain to you guys a little bit about Skilsaw. Skilsaw has been the leader in tools for a very, very, very long time. When you think of California framer, let me tell you, everybody had a 7 1/4 worm drive Skilsaw, and everybody had the Hitachi NR83A. Iconic combo right there. As most of you know, I'm pretty open about who I work with as far as Cut Hub goes, Skilsaw, and other companies. Skilsaw has hooked us up completely. We use primarily their saws. The 16 and 5/16 beam saw is by far my favorite saw. I have their carpenter's chainsaw as well. I've been trying to use that more. Along with that, I did testing for the first ever cordless worm drive Skilsaw. I've been working with them for a very long time though. If you guys want to check out everything they have to offer, you can head on over to Skilsaw's website, right up over there. Click the link in the description below to head to their website and their social media pages. And then down way in the comments, the pinned comment will have all that info as well. Skilsaw is by far one of my favorite tool companies, and it's not just because they hook me up with tools or that I get to test their tools for them. They care about the people using their tools just as much as you care about the tools you're using. My daughter was featured on their social media page as well with this picture right up over here. They really are a good group of people. Sola, you guys already know about, super awesome company. Box beam levels, small levels, big levels, anything you want. I have their full lineup. You guys watched me open it in a vlog a while back. If you guys want to check out what they have to offer, as you can see right up over here is their website. Link is in the description and the comment. Kind of bummed out that I didn't get to try this tape measure, but one of you guys is getting hooked up. It looks pretty rugged. You could beat the heck out of it. One of the downfalls to a Stanley Fat Max is the fact that the top of the hook doesn't have much to hook to. As you can see on there, it's got quite a bit. So you can hook under stuff instead of just hooking over. So let's talk about everything you're going to win. You've got a 48-inch box beam, big red level from Sola. Skilsaw reciprocating saw. A couple sweet hats for you. 30-foot tape measure. Some pencils. Can't go without pencils. But what happens when you're on a job site, you step in a puddle and the shoes you're wearing have a hole in them? They get wet. EverBoots, once again, is helping out. Day 5, we've got a pair of EverBoots to give to you. Any boots off their website, we're going to hook you up with. You're going to be able to hand select through this website anything that you want off of there. So you're going to be able to find the model that you like, pick the size that you need, let me know, we're going to ship those boots directly to you. So not only are you going to get hooked up with a Skilsaw reciprocating saw, 48-inch box beam level, couple hats, a tape measure that I wish I could try but I haven't gotten to yet, bunch of pencils, you're going to get a pair of boots as well. This is a perfect starter pack for someone that's new to the construction industry, works at home and just needs a couple tools, whatever it may be, we're hooking you guys up. EverBoots is doing their part in making sure your feet stay nice and warm this December. Sola is making sure your stuff's nice and plumb. Skilsaw is there to take out all the stuff that's out of plumb. This prize pack is awesome because it's super versatile. You can be a homeowner and just need it every now and then. Full-on remodeler, need it all the time. Framer, need it every now and then. This is awesome. EverBoots, you guys have seen explained in 2 other videos now. They've helped me out a lot. They support the youth just as much as I do. I have nothing but respect for these guys. They're located down in Southern California, not too far away from me. They hooked up the high school class that I work with down south with brand new boots. Every single student. That is all we have time for, guys. Day 5 is over with. Leave a comment down below. Hit that subscribe button first. Turn on post notifications. Like this video. That is it though. I will catch you guys. Day 6. Bang on.